Hi folks, this is Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and the maker of all the stuff you see here on this channel. The weather is getting a little bit better and I should get back to working on the camper soon, but since we have a big winter storm on the way, even here from Florida, I thought I would share this with you. This is a nice little, I thought anyway, DIY jardiniere, whatever you want to call it, thing to bring your plants in the house or pamper the ones you've got, and do a little bit of style here. And it's cheap relatively. Let me get a little closer here. Now what this is made of is this right here are 4 chair legs I bought on eBay for $10 a piece and had them kicking around, didn't know what I was going to do with them until I found this. This is old American mahogany flooring that's literally impossible to get today, even if you could, but it's on the CITES list. You can't have it in commercial trade. Here is a piece I had left over, and as you can tell, even though I learned how to slow the saw down, it still scorched it a little bit there, but you gotta live and learn. And this shows you that it's not stained or anything. That's really how it is. Anyhow, so those pieces, I think that they turned out to be 6 pieces altogether, and they were $2 a piece. So what, that's like, I don't know, you do the math. Anyhow, but for a little decoration and reinforcing the corners, the cat's trying to help. I got these are like, I don't know, 25 cents a piece on eBay. I've had them for so long and I bought them in bulk. I do all kinds of things with them. I use that to decorate it up a little bit and to reinforce the corners. This I got in some sale bin somewhere. They weren't but a couple of dollars a piece to carry around. And these right here, there were nail holes in here, so that was literally on the sale rack at Michael's, and they're just little tiny brass whatever tchotchkes that you use for jewelry making, and I thought it kind of fit. So after putting all that together, I went to one of the big box stores, and this is not copper, it is copper toned aluminum sheeting that I just bent into shape, and it seemed to work. And that is a piece of just plain 1/4-inch plywood that I of course stained but didn't quite come to match. I mean, nothing's going to really match this wood, and it's a little rough on the edges because that's just how the flooring was, and I just left it like that. But I also made this with a few of the extra bits, and here it is when I actually try to smooth off those edges, and I'm like, oh, okay, that works. And more of those little brackets and scrap wood, so now I have something to put all of my color pencils all in one place and a little tote thing. So anyway, but here's a bonus tip here. This beautiful mahogany, once again, even if you could have found it legally, it is crazy better than anything that is available in the markets today. And if you can't find it salvage, this is a local salvage store I got it from. If you know anybody in South Florida, American mahogany is native to there, and even though it's illegal to sell commercially, if you know somebody who's a landscaper, it's very common as a landscaping plant, and make a little connections, you can probably get all the mahogany you wanted to get for a very low cost. So anyhow, their winter storm is due here in a few days, and I'm going to start sticking plants in here and getting them all ready not to die in the storm, or whatever it is. Yeah, usually storm comes first and then the freezing cold weather afterwards here in Florida. So back off a little bit here, and a little gratuitous, yes, we live in Florida, and I still have some oranges left on my tree. Anyhow, so maybe this will come in the right time. If anybody's handy with scrapping things and I don't know, recycling, repurposing, whatever, maybe you can have something even better than this. So hope that was interesting or informative, and thanks for watching.